Sparky Sparks here. And I have Zara on today. Oh my gosh, look at this color. This is Malibu Blonde, a beautiful color, new color for me. Let me show you the back. She's a long one. Look at this. Gorgeous, right? This is by Jon Renau. The style again is Zara, and the color is Malibu Blonde. She's just gorgeous. So let me show you the inside. That's always the fun part to me. Okay, so she's open wefted, which is going to make her a little bit cooler in the summertime, and it's really not an issue. The front has the best part ever. The lace from about temple to temple, and you can see it's nearly see-through. You can see my fingers here. And that's what's going to give you the illusion that it's coming out of your scalp, which I love about Jon Renau wigs. Now, you've got free parting space all the way from temple to temple. So anywhere in this region, you can part your hair. And on the back, we've got Velcro adjuster tabs and this soft nape here in the back. So these can just adjust smaller or larger depending on your head size. Now for the ear tabs, they're soft and there's wires in here that you'll adjust to your temples, kind of like you might adjust glasses. So let's put her back on. Now this is a new Zara right out of the box, so we're going to give her a shake. I put her on a couple of times already. So I've sometimes the hair comes with a zigzag part and you'll want to break that. But you can see now I've just put my forehead in. We need to adjust this because this isn't my forehead. So we're going to pull her back and adjust her. And I like to start by putting your thumbs on the ear tabs so you can adjust it to your temples. And then you can adjust the hairline. It's so good. All right, and look at this hairline. Flawless. Flawless. So this is what gives the illusion of it really growing out of your scalp. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just comb through a little bit, smooth her out, adjusted the part. So pretty. I'm standing in front of a window, so I have natural sunlight on me right now, so you can see it in daylight. As we know, the colors kind of shift depending on the lighting. We'll get some, random hairs here. She's new out of the box. So there she is. This is Zara, again, in the shade Malibu Blonde. And I just love her. Now, I've worn Zara for a couple of years, and I have an old Zara in the shade Shaded Praline, or 12 FS8. And she was my first long hair wig from Jon Renau. I started with Ignite. So I'm going to be over on YouTube with wigs.com live talking about the differences between my old Zara in 12 FS8 and this Zara in Malibu Blonde. And I think you'll notice there's a difference, but we'll talk about how I like to style her and some tips and tricks and how I wear both of my Zaras now. So I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you over on YouTube. Have a great day.